Boom shakalaka, what's going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and yes, another news episode at noon Eastern Time on Tuesday, May 8th, 2018. That kind of sounded like Nicholas Merton how I said 2018. 2018! Now, taking a look at coin market cap. Another sideways day for a lot of the cryptos. Bitcoin's down 1.5%. Ethereum's up 1.5%. Ripple's down 1.5%. Bcash is down 2%. So yeah, a lot of sideways movement going on today. Market cap slowly dropping back down from highs of 470 billion right now to 430 billion. Bitcoin dominance just hovering right at that 36% mark. So yeah, pretty slow. But IOTA's up 11.85% today to $2.40. Bytecoin is up 73.23% today. So that's a big one. Yeah. And then if we take a look, Zilliqa's up. Zilliqa's been getting a lot of news, a lot of talk recently. High throughput blockchain. Bitcoin private's down 10%. iOS token up 14%. So, taking a look at things, well, the big gainers, IOTA, up 11.85%. That's a lot. Now, IOTA has been in the news recently a lot for partnerships with car companies, different things like that, charging stations, But the news today, listed on Huobi, look at all that. $34 million of volume in a day for IOTA shoots the price up 11%. The next one, though, 11% is nothing compared with 70.23% for Bytecoin. Actually made it worth a penny. All right. Now, Bytecoin just recently shot up like gangbusters. It went from a fifth of a penny all the way up to a penny. Why, you might ask? Because it was listed on the biggest of all exchanges, Binance. You get listed on Binance, your price shoots up, a lot larger volume. It kind of makes you think, for those people out there, for those cryptocurrencies out there that are not on Binance, maybe it's worth the $150,000 it costs to get listed on Binance, because their market cap went from $300 million to $2.1 billion overnight. Just like that. They went from like 58th position to 18th position. Now, Bytecoin has also done some rebranding and stuff like that recently, but that's a lot for just a Binance listing. Other coins pumping today, Holochain. So Holo is up 12, almost 13%. Their market cap was recently updated on CoinMarketCap, putting them in 88th position. Now that they're in the top 100, they'll be getting a lot more attention. But good luck getting it. You can only get it on Hotbit and Radar Relay. Now Hotbit, the logo there looks very similar to iOS token, just in green, but I don't think they're related. So you can go find it. On Hotbit. On Hotbit, you can go find it. And what is Holochain, you may ask? You think outside the blocks. It's a framework for dApps. dApps are the things of the future. I did a video the other day on Loom. Crypto Zombies, you can learn to program Solidity, make your own dApps, and then you can write your own paycheck. Now, Ethos. Ethos is up 10% today. Now, the reason that I'm bringing up this one is because I just want to make sure all of you were aware that you can get a whole bunch of airdrops. Ethos has their universal wallet. Okay, it's a powerhouse in your pocket. Some people might call it a pocket rocket, but some people might get the wrong idea if you call it a pocket rocket. So, you can have your Ethos universal wallet, but if you pre-register for it, guess what? When it comes out, you get a whole bunch of tokens airdropped. I pre-registered for it because I want those free tokens for doing nothing. Just for instance, anyone who went to Neo DevCon got 500 ontology tokens just for going there. Calculate how much that's worth. So, free tokens are cool. I want you guys to know this is a way for you to get a whole bunch of airdropped free tokens. There are ones that have already signed up for it. Limpo is one. There's another one that's not coming to my mind right now. But taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Oh, it looks sad. The price is coming down. Bitcoin finally broke out of this channel. Okay, so we had a bullish channel here that had been going on since the beginning of April. All right, Bitcoin finally broke out on the bottom side, which is not great. Could indicate some bearish movement, especially right now. It's testing the 21-day moving average. Now, it found resistance at 10,000 and the 200-day. The 21-day, let's see if it breaks through there. Also, for those of you who saw my episode the other day about my Bitcoin MACD trading challenge, you can see there's a bearish cross of the MACD right here where the orange signal line crossed above the blue MACD line. Well, because that happened, I traded my position from Bitcoin today, DAI, the stable token on Buybox, because I just don't trust Tether. And I'm already down $16. So I put in $1,000 and when I started doing this, I'm already down $16. But we'll have to see, because maybe if the price comes down, I can buy back in for cheaper, and then we'll see, So I just wanted to give you guys that information for you who want to follow it. Now, on to the news. New York Stock Exchange to launch Bitcoin trading platform. Guys, this is the second big Wall Street thing to be involved in Bitcoin trading. So Goldman Sachs this past week announced that within a couple of weeks, they're going to have their Bitcoin trading. Well, New York Stock Exchange didn't want to be left in the dust, so they joined in, and they're going to be doing it through swaps. All right, so you can actually own Bitcoin through swaps, and basically where two parties swap their positions, the end result being the investors buy and hold actual Bitcoin. That's freaking rad. More people buying Bitcoin, the more early adopters will be doing well. Now, it's not 100% go at this point, but basically the New York Stock Exchange, Intercontinental Exchange, the parent company, has conversations with other financial institutions about setting up a new operation through which banks can buy a contract known as a swap that will end up with the customer owning Bitcoin the next day with the backing and security of the exchange, according to the people familiar with the project. It's not 100%, but it's in the works. So that's very exciting news, because the quicker this stuff gets onto Wall Street, the quicker you and I can own those Lambos, those yachts, those helicopters, the miniature ponies, and the, that's it. Once we have all those things, I think we'll be good. Now, the other good news, I guess it's good news, but the other news that made me smile. Okay, Tyler Winklevoss tells Bitcoin critic Bill Gates to put his money where his mouth is, all right? See, Bill Gates says, I would short Bitcoin if I could, but it's so difficult to short Bitcoin. And then Tyler Winklevoss says, Dear @Bill Gates, there's an easy way to short Bitcoin. You can short XBT on the CBOE Bitcoin USD futures contract and put your money where your mouth is. Booyakasha. All right? And then, even better, Rand Nooner said, let me help you. Open an account at a CME broker. Look for the XBT USD futures. Select number of contracts, press sell. Get wrecked, Bill Gates. And then call Warren Buffett and ask him to do the same. I love that. That tweet made my morning. All right. Now, it just makes you wonder, do these guys, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, have they actually done any research about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, things like that? Or is this just like an off-the-cuff thing? Do they not even, even though all the time they're getting bombarded by all these people like Bitcoin, do they still not research it? Or have they actually done their research and they still think it's not great? So it makes me wonder. But, even despite Bill Gates not liking Bitcoin, Bill Gates, if he is in charge of this, Microsoft definitely likes blockchain. They've got a tool to speed up blockchain-based app creation. It's called the Azure Blockchain Workbench. They released it on May 7th. So, apps are the way of the future. We all know apps. Well, how about dApps? So that's the news there. Good news for those of us hodling Bitcoin. Tom Lee from Fundstrat says Bitcoin price increase coming after consensus. Now, consensus is coming up in mid-May in New York City. And guys, guess what? Turns out I was just made aware that I am going to be winning a cryptocurrency influencer award. Now I just need to get my ass up to New York City, and get into consensus. Yeah, so if you know anyone with extra tickets. But anyways, it seems like Tom Lee must have seen my video here that I did back in April. BTC when moon. Market recovers in, and I had June. Boom. Why? Because of consensus. Consensus happens and it recovers. Now this graph here, basically what I did here is I looked back through all the historical data on CoinMarketCap, and I saw what months had spikes in Bitcoin prices. And so over all the data, the months that had the spikes were June, November, and December, the biggest months for Bitcoin. So that being said, yeah, after consensus, Bitcoin price is probably going to go up. Adoption, guys. Adoption is good. We had Katy Perry with her crypto clause. We have a whole bunch of other people. Well, now Steph Curry has his Cryptokitties sports collectibles. He just recently had 3 special edition cryptocurrencies that he auctioned off on Monday. And, you know, somebody said, Mac Flavel, the co-founder of Cryptokitties, says Steph is the perfect partner to try out this new kind of kitty. He's an incredible athlete, but also has a deep interest in technology and innovation. So Cryptokitties still around. Some of them sold for as high as $100,000. Now, those of you looking to make more money, we've got some mainnet launches coming up now through June. I know that Tron, the price of Tron has been going up with the expectation of mainnet launch. The price of EOS has been going up with the expectation of mainnet launch. Well, here's some other ones to keep an eye out for. Oyster Pearl, now known as Oyster, May 29th. Tron, May 31st. Nulls, sometime in May. EOS, June 2nd. And then by the end of June, we have Vechain, High Performance Blockchain, Fusion, Ontology, Credits, Daddy, Eternity. So look at all of those. Those are ones that, you know, might be worthwhile getting a small position and trying to sell it for a profit, if that happens. But this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I am a live news person on YouTube who talks about cryptocurrencies. And just because I can't stay away from Tron, I mean, they're in the news every day. Tron has completed their airdrop to Ethereum community members. So anybody who held at least one Ethereum by April 20th of this year was rewarded somewhere. I think it was it was up to like $5 of Tron you could have gotten. Okay, so everyone should have been rewarded their Tron. Congratulations. You've got a little bit of Tron. Hold on to that. Could be worth something someday. This is a thing. Airdrops can be worth something. Just hold them. It's free. Like, why would you not? Oracle, the world's second largest software company, only to Microsoft, soon to offer blockchain products. So Microsoft already has Azure offering blockchain products. Oracle is now offering blockchain products, and they're working with the Banco de Chile to log interbank transactions on Hyperledger. Also working with the government of Nigeria to use blockchain technology for documenting customs and import duties. So they've got a few things. They're also working, they pitch to pharmaceutical companies for the management of medical supply chains. So Oracle's getting in on the action. Everybody wants in on blockchain. Yeah, it's good. Apparently there was no SEC hearing on Ethereum. It wasn't exactly a hearing. Apparently it was like a private meeting between the SEC and CFTC, but Ethereum wasn't invited. Something like that. Or it may not have happened. Who exactly knows? Nobody cares. It's still not listed as a security, so we're still all in the clear. And, guys, talking about big banks getting into cryptocurrencies. So Circle, owned by Goldman Sachs, they just added Monero to the Circle app. So now they have 7 coins you can buy on here very easily with your bank account. Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Monero, and Zcash. Now this I find very surprising because they make it easy as all get out to get 2 privacy coins, Monero and Zcash. You can pick those up and then you can just, you know, launder your money, wash it, and whatever, but easy enough to get because there was talk about Monero and maybe some other ones getting delisted from exchanges, but look at how easy it is now for Monero, for people to get Monero. Interesting. Last piece of news for Vechain, all right? PriceWaterhouseCooper, huge investment company, acquires shares in Vechain, seeks to integrate systems. All right. Now, what systems, they don't specifically say, but they're looking at, the company explains how the deal will look, saying that PriceWaterhouseCooper Hong Kong is now in discussions with Vechain to provide trust-based services on the Vechain platform. This will require the use of Vechain tokens to access and perform transactions on the platform. So it didn't really cause a huge spike in Vechain, but look at that adoption of Vechain. Vechain, has come a long way since I first did a review on it a long time ago. Now, you guys, I forgot to say in the beginning, thank you to everyone subscribing, thank you to everyone mashing on the like button, and if you want to win one of these shirts, make sure to comment down below. If you put a comment down there, you could win one of these shirts, because now we have to pick a winner from yesterday. All right, so like I said, if you want to win one of these 6 shirts, you can either, number one, go to the shop right there and buy your own, and there's a whole bunch of other shirts you could find there. Or you could enter to win by commenting down in the comments below. But I'm going to pick someone. So basically, made 2 videos yesterday. Number 1 is the news. Number 2 is the video I made in the afternoon, the 5 o'clock video. So, here's a random number generator. This will pick the video, and then depending upon that, we'll use a random comment picker to find out who wins the shirt. So here we go. Number 1, so the first video. So it was the news video. And if we go there, okay, I just need to get this URL. We'll put that into a random comment picker. Good luck to everybody here. Good luck to everybody. The first t-shirt winner. I mean, this is monumental. This is someone who he'll always be able to look back on his life and be like, I won the first t-shirt from Crypto Love. So he could put that on his resume. Okay, so good luck. And here we go. We're going 94 commenters. And let's start. Let's pick a random winner. Who's it gonna be? Who? JH. Can see me wearing that t-shirt around Phuket. Boom! Yo, JH, you lucky man to be in Phuket. I was there. It was so fun. I got like a foot massage every day there. Yeah, so JH, congratulations. Anybody else who wants a shirt, just comment down on this video today, and you'll be able to win a shirt tomorrow. Or you can go and buy one of the thing there. JH, email me. The email's on the About page of the YouTube channel. I'll try and find your comment and let you know you won. So congratulations. Thank you all for watching. It has been a whole bunch of fun today. Have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you at the live stream today at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So make sure you're there. There will be a live stream. I'll be answering your comments. Whatever you want to ask, I'll be there. All right. Peace.